I got my man Cordell from All Seasons Lawn Care over here helping the brother out because I don't know how to put a belt on. So he's in Conyers. He's gonna help me out putting this belt on this Bradley Mower that somehow magically my nephew got to come off. What's up? This is Vic from Quick Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Got Warren over here, City Graphics again, putting the wrap on the 10-footer U-Haul used box truck. Talked to you about it already. So it's looking good. Man, it must look like a stop sign. It's so red. So can't wait to see it all nicely done. But he getting at it. Now, at the same time, I got my friend over here from All Season Lawn Care. He's in Conyers, Georgia as well, putting in the work, and he's helping me put this this belt on this Bradley Mower that somehow magically my nephew got it to pop off. I don't know how he did it because we hadn't had the thing very long, but you know, youngsters do those type of things. So we're putting in work both ways, getting it ready, fixing it.
When I put my belts on, as far as the dry belt, the dick belt, I always have it, the engine low. But it ain't gonna matter with the dry belt.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you. He was playing around for a second. I was like, man, this is ridiculous. But the hydraulics was disengaged. So we're gonna try this one more, Houston. One more time. Hold on. So let me go with my friend from YouTube, subscriber, and we've been talking on the phone for a long time, talking about we're gonna get up, go out to eat and everything. So I gave him a call today because I had a problem. That's how you do people. You only call them when you need them. But I really appreciate it, man. You coming out and helping my brother out because I don't think that belt would have got on today, D.
Oh, no, that belt, unless I put it on my waist.
That belt was not gonna get on. So I really appreciate it, man. So hopefully we can collab, man. I'm really serious about it because you know I know a lot of times, especially with guys like you who've been doing it a while, you got too much work and you don't want to rely on people that's not reliable. And we talking about anybody out here inspiring to work for somebody or be someone who employs other people. The toughest part of our job is find someone who can come out here and take this work serious. And that's a lot of equipment, that's a lot of money, and I feel your pain. You don't want nobody tearing it up. You know, these are toys, but these toys make money. So I was hoping that, you know, we see what hey, I know one thing, if you tell me to come and I can get there, what you did for me today, I gotta get there. I really appreciate it.
No problem, man.
I really appreciate it. All right.
Networking.
So
When I see you now,
Warren is still putting on this wrap. He's putting it together in this wind. He's a master at this. It's gonna look beautiful when it's done.
yeah,